In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and download a video from the Create a Video tab. First, open the Create a Video tab. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate Video. A strong prompt sets the tone for your final result, so make sure it clearly describes the visuals, pacing, and any key moments you want included. After you click Generate, the system starts rendering. This can take a while, and the exact time depends on your hardware and the complexity of the prompt. While it works, keep the tab open and avoid closing your browser. It's normal for the progress bar to pause at times. Just let it run until you see that generation has finished. When the video has finally generated, look for the download option and click it. If you're using the free version, select stock watermarks and choose normal. Stock watermarks are required on the free tier and simply place a small mark over the video, while normal quality gives you a reliable balance of file size and clarity that's easy to share and review. If you're on a paid plan, you may see additional choices, but for free users, stock watermarks and normal are the correct settings to move forward. After you've made your selections, click Continue. This confirms your choices and prepares the file for delivery. You may see a brief preparing or packaging message as the system bundles the video with the options you selected. That's expected and should only take a moment. After a short wait, your browser will automatically start downloading your video. If the download doesn't start on its own, simply click Download again to trigger it. Some browsers pause automatic downloads or require a confirmation, so that manual click is there to help you proceed without changing any browser settings. Keep an eye on your download indicator to know when the file has finished transferring. That's it. You created your prompt, generated the video, chose the correct free tier options, confirmed them, and started the download. Follow these steps each time you make a new project, and you'll have a consistent, predictable workflow from prompt to file on your computer. Thanks for watching and happy creating.